Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is CREWORKS Ultrasonic Cleaner. It is a professional range ultrasonic gun cleaner with massive cleaning power, which, though, is easy to use at home as well. Digital control, LED digital display, easy to see the remaining time clearly. Time setting is 1 to 30 minutes, temperature setting is 0 to 80 degrees Celsius. 6x strengthened transducers make the ultrasonic more powerful and provides remarkable cleaning results. 15 liters ultrasonic cleaner, durable stainless steel, SUS 304 construction. Auto standby and sleep mode. Stainless steel cleaning basket for cleaning some small objects which need less friction. It can reduce the friction between the small objects and the tank. Large ultrasonic cleaner is perfect for large commercial components, equipments and devices cleaning, such as lab tools, carburetor, auto parts, engine parts, brass, metal parts, vinyl record, etc. Our second best ultrasonic gun cleaner is Isonic Ultrasonic Cleaner. The Ionic P4820 WSB cleaner is a low-cost ultrasonic cleaner suitable for cleaning gun parts, cartridges, casings, coins, jewelry, and eyeglasses. The low-cost Ionic P4820 WSB ultrasonic gun cleaner and case cleaner contains a 160-watt ceramic heating element and a particular microjet action feature that helps it remove debris, including carbon residue, from all external and inner parts and surfaces. Ionic P4820 WSB Commercial Ultrasonic Cleaner, 2. 6 quart/2. 5 liters, white color, stainless steel wire mesh basket, heater, 110 volts. Equipped with an industrial-grade ultrasonic stack transducer which is twice stronger and more durable compared to wafer transducers used by some manufacturers in their commercial models. The generously proportioned stainless steel tank is designed to clean long items such as dental instruments and silverware. The stainless steel tank is also polished for easy cleaning. It's compact for small counter spaces. Heater is preset at 149F/65C and runs indecently to cleaning. Cooling fan helps for longer operation. Third choice in our list is CREWORKS Ultrasonic Cleaner. The heavy-duty 1.1mm stainless steel tank with 10 liters volume easily endures years of heavy use. The integrated 11.8 by 9.5 by 5.9 inch cleaning basket keeps your gold and silver rings, jewelry, watches, glasses, gun parts, razors, carburetors, dentures, and retainers in place. 4 industrial-grade ultrasonic transducers with 490 watts power easily provide thorough sanitation for valuables and small items. Designed with the latest technologies for advanced maintenance, rust removal, oxidation prevention, extraction, cavitation, and more. 104 to 140 degree Fahrenheit cleaning temperature is recommended for improved sanitation performance. Preset cleaning time options provide a user-friendly experience. Performs best on small objects with flat surfaces and small holes, grooves, etc. A dual fuse protection system prevents burnout. Always check the fuse in the rare event of lost power. Easily monitor the machine's cleaning process through the LCD display with intuitive touch button controls for the timer and temperature. Lower frequencies lead to better cleaning results but cause louder noises. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is H&B Luxuries Ultrasonic Cleaner. The H&B Luxuries Professional Grade Ultrasonic Gun Cleaner is another excellent option for cleaning and sanitizing guns, gun parts, brass cases, jewelry, eyeglasses, instruments, and other valuables or items which require meticulous and timely cleaning of all their components. The pistol cleaning kit is ideal for cleaning brass and comes with a brass cleaning concentrate solution. Strengthened transducer makes the ultrasonic more powerful and provides remarkable cleaning results. Safety and reliable with temperature up to 65 degrees Celsius and time controller for heater significantly enhanced cleaning. Industry IC to be steady in unstable voltage condition. Digital program, 5 working cycles, choose freely 90, 180, 280, 380, 480 seconds. It enhances cleaning efficiency and makes it easy to operate. Some industrial spare parts being adopted, allows its working in long time frame, and in dampness environment. Last in our top 5 best ultrasonic gun cleaner list is Hornady Ultrasonic Cleaner. Ultrasonic jewelry cleaner machine is made of stainless steel, which is corrosion resistant and rust proof and does not leak water. Hornady 6 liters ultrasonic cleaner comes with a basket to reduce the friction between objects and tanks, and to get objects out more easily. Using the ultrasonic vibrations treatment method to improve cleaning efficiency, the powerful transducers built into the sonic cleaner machine. The cleaning frequency of 40 kHz can remove stains on items in a few seconds without damaging the items. Heating temperature 0 to 80 degrees Celsius helps improving cleaning efficiency, especially can reduce the adhesion strength of oil and wax to certain materials to be cleaned, thereby improving the cleaning efficiency. Time setting is 0 to 99 minutes. Sonic Jewelry Cleaner small machine features a digital timer and temperature display for precise washing time and temperature control. Portable digital ultrasonic cleaners multifunction is used to disperse, emulsify, bubble, extract, de-oil, remove rust or dirt or dust or wax and more, suitable for jewelry, laboratory equipment, PC board, dental equipment, tableware, industrial, and other washing supplies. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.